The coronavirus has caused a global pandemic, which is referred to as COVID 19. This has brought along with it unprecedented uncertainty, stress, and anxiety into every human being across the planet.
To begin with, you need to understand that your thoughts, feelings, and behavior are interconnected and they influence each other in the process. It is very important and essential that you recognize this so that your tangible actions are based on this.
All through life, you have to make choices. You choose what you wear, you choose what you eat. So, why can't you choose about what you think?
It is essential that you recognize there are certain things that are under your control and there are certain things that are not in your control. For example, wearing a mask or wearing a protective gear to protect yourself from the virus is under your control. However, finding a vaccine or a cure for this virus isn't in your control.
Remember the first exam that you took? Remember the time you had to get the report card signed by your father? Or do you even remember the time that you had your appraisal a few months back? All through life, we've seen some amount of stress. This stress that you currently are feeling due to the COVID outbreak is no different. Probably the only difference is that we don't know when this stress will end.
It is certain that what routine you had before might not be same as now, but definitely having a routine is essential during these times. And including a hobby that you want to pick up on or revisit a hobby that you've left long ago, and also including an exercise regimen that is very essential.
Your feelings can get overwhelming at any point. We share a technique of mindfulness for you to try. What are 5 things that you can see around you? Can you touch 4 different objects in the room that you are in? What are 3 different sounds that you are hearing currently? Can you pick up 2 objects and smell them? Remember that one thing that made you smile today.
And at any point, if you need any help, support, or advice or guidance, do not hesitate to reach out to your family, friends, or mental health professionals.